Good afternoon to you, Mary. Yes, so that is an important update, right? The season is about to begin. The Atlantic hurricane season begins in June 1st. And so this is NOAA's prediction. They have a 70% confidence that what we'll see as far as named storms, that there will be 12 to 17 of those, which is, the high end of the average, that we will see 5 to 9 hurricanes, right? With the average being 7, but they're forecasting 5 to 9, with major hurricanes 1 to 4. So we're pretty much right in keeping with what we typically see for the most part, but that was just announced today. It is forecast to be a near normal season, overall less active than recent years. Of course, we're watching El Nino, which is warmer than normal water in the Atlantic and Caribbean. So we're keeping an eye on things. It hasn't started yet for us here in the Atlantic Basin, but this is what the folks at NOAA are anticipating. So we just want you to know about that. Back here at home, obviously could not be nicer today. Things could not be calmer as we take a live look outside. Blue sky, just really beautiful. It is sunny. It is 61 degrees and winds are out of the north at 14 miles an hour. Now, 61 degrees is nice, but it's not where we were this time yesterday. Yesterday was the warmest day of the week. So today is not only not as warm as that, but it's going to be about 10 degrees cooler. So right now, 59 degrees for the Battery and for Jackson Heights, 61 for the Bronx and Staten Island. Newark's a little warmer at 64 degrees. And we're looking big picture. Most locations, the warmest locations, I should say, are in the low 60s, with Greenwich at 63 on this map. Same for Sparta and Edison at 64. So overall, we're looking at a cooler afternoon, but it's beautiful, really beautiful. Pollen, not bad. Tree pollen is low. Grass is moderate. Ragweed, weeds, and mold are all low. So as allergy sufferers, if one of these is a trigger for you, maybe not so terrible a day. And as we take a look at your satellite and radar, fairly quiet. Remember, we had a cold front that moved through yesterday, and for a lot of people, that cold front was just a bunch of clouds. That's really all you saw as it passed through. There was some rain associated with that front, but the bigger issue, or the bigger help that we got from it, is that it kind of helped to sweep out a lot of particulate matter. We had a lot of hazy days earlier this week, and with the passage and the move of that cold front through our area, we were able to get rid of a lot of that haze. So we've got clearer skies today, albeit cooler temperatures that rushed in on the backside of the front. So we're expecting a high today of 68 degrees in New York City, mid and upper 60s. That's what we're expecting for most locations. Some of our inland locations will be a little warmer, in the low 70s, but it's mild. It's just not where we should be. Should be right around 74 degrees, and clearly we don't get there today. We still have our eyes on this area of low pressure. So there was some concern that this area of low pressure, as it developed and strengthened and slowly pushed its way north, that it would become an issue for us for Memorial Day weekend, that we'd see not only clouds, but also some rain from this system. Well, now it looks like, thanks to the high pressure that was ushered in as a result of that front, that basically it keeps the wet weather south of the tri-state area. So we will see a few more clouds for Sunday and Monday, but we don't expect any rain. So what we're seeing is a minor increase in temperatures little by little. Starting tomorrow, we'll end the work week with a high of about 72. Saturday, 74, mostly sunny skies. We head into your Sunday. That's when we start to see a little bit more cloud cover from that disturbance, but it gets warmer, 76 degrees. And then for Memorial Day itself on Monday, it should be 78 degrees. So nice warmth there. Again, a nice mix of sun and clouds. We leave in about a 10% chance of showers, but things have basically been trending drier for Memorial Day. So cool, sunny, breezy today at 68 degrees. The Yankees play ball tonight. First pitch scheduled for 7:05. It'll be right around 64 degrees. And then tonight, on the chilly side, folks, 50s in the city, but some 40s, even 30s. Tomorrow, 72 and gorgeous. And your 7-day forecast, well, you see it there, looks good for the holiday. Mary?
Elise, thank you.